goal in life is to become a certified automotive technology specialist who establishes a one-stop service center from both traditional and electrical vehicles, focusing on affordable maintenance and repair to help local drivers keep their cars safe and running efficiently. I've seen how many families and small businesses rely on vehicles for their daily needs, but struggle with high repair costs or lack of expertise in newer EV technology. My goal is to bridge this gap by providing reliable service and even offering basic training to help drivers take better care of their vehicles. To gain expert knowledge in EV electrical system and battery maintenance, plus develop strong customer service and basic business planning skills. For EV technology, as more electric vehicles start hitting Cebu's roads, there's a growing need for technicians who understand how their systems work, from charging infrastructure to battery health management. Without the expertise, my service center won't be able to serve the full range of vehicles on the market. For customer service and business planning, running a successful service center isn't just about fixing cars. It's about building trust with clients and managing operations effectively. These improvements will help me become both a skilled technician and capable business owner, putting me on track to achieve my goal. This subject is critical because it teaches me how to read and interpret technical diagrams, schematics, and component specifications. Skills every automotive technology specialist needs. For example, understanding how to measure and interpret the radius of engine parts or the wiring layouts in EVs ensure I can diagnose issues accurately and perform repairs correctly. It also helps me explain problems to customers using clear visual references, which builds trust. Without this foundation, I might make costly mistakes or struggle to keep up with the constantly evolving technology in modern vehicles, making this subject essential for building a reliable and successful automotive service businesses.